Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Petcove litter box is probably one of the most surprisingly impactful upgrades you can make for both your feline friend and your home, transforming the daily chore of litter maintenance into a far more pleasant experience by tackling common issues like odor control, litter tracking, and ease of cleaning, ultimately creating a happier environment for everyone involved. Number 5. Petcove PurrTek Smart Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Imagine a life free from daily litter box chores. This innovative device sifts waste into a sealed bag after every visit, ensuring constant freshness. Simply pop, tie, and toss, no touching, no mess, no odor, just 24/7 hands-free convenience. Its compact design, measuring just 20.28 by 19.29 by 20.08 inches, allows it to fit neatly into any corner of your home. A stable sensor base prevents any tipping, giving you peace of mind. This system combines a sealed waste bin, a powerful deodorizing fan, and a negative ion system to neutralize smells instantly. Even with multiple cats, your home will remain genuinely fresh all day long. Connect via 2.45 GHz Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and manage it effortlessly through the Petcove app. You can schedule cleanings, monitor cat visits, track weight, adjust settings, and receive full bin alerts from anywhere. It features a spacious open drum with smooth, low RPM rotation, allowing cats to move naturally. A low 5.75-inch floor entry with a detachable ramp makes it accessible for most cats, and it even pauses for kittens under 3 pounds or pregnant cats for their safety. The large 12L sealed bin stores up to 15 days of waste for 1 cat or 5 days for 3. This means fewer bag changes, less cleanup, and more quality time with your beloved pets. The filter and litter drum detach in seconds for a quick wipe or wash, keeping electronics dry. Changing the waste bag is a simple 3-step process: pop, tie, and toss, ensuring zero hassle. What we like? This innovative litter box offers complete hands-free waste management with advanced smart app control. Its triple odor control system ensures your home stays fresh, even with multiple cats. If you are looking for ultimate convenience and a truly fresh home without daily scooping, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Number 4. Feandrea 59-inch 2-in-1 cat tree UPCT 113G01. This innovative design combines a cat tree and a litter box enclosure into one seamless unit. It provides your feline friends with a perfect spot to play, relax, and take care of business, all while saving valuable space in your home. Featuring a stylish grayish finish and chic white accents, it effortlessly complements most home decor. This modern cat tower enhances your living space while providing essential amenities for your pet. The spacious bottom compartment, accessible through convenient doors, offers multiple possibilities. You can use it to discreetly hide a litter box, create a cozy cat bed, or store your pet's food and supplies. Keeping it clean is incredibly simple. Its cushions are removable and washable for thorough cleaning, and the smooth veneered surfaces can be easily wiped down to remove fur and dirt. Constructed from sturdy particle board and natural sisal, it ensures stability for active cats. This durable structure is also wear and scratch resistant, promising long-lasting enjoyment for your beloved pet. What we like? This unique piece combines a cat tree and a hidden litter box enclosure, saving valuable floor space. Its modern design with a grayish finish seamlessly blends into any home decor, elevating your space. If you have limited space or want to discreetly hide your litter box while providing a play area, this integrated solution is ideal. What people say. No positive reviews could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. Please provide product reviews to select points from. Number 3. Stainless steel litter box with lid. This innovative 135 degrees flip-top design makes cleaning a breeze. You can simply open its lid to scoop litter, without needing to remove the entire top cover. Its bottom basin is crafted from sturdy 201 stainless steel. This material ensures it lasts longer than plastic alternatives, resisting deformation and offering a smooth, non-stick surface that's easy to clean. A carbon bag positioned at its top vent effectively absorbs unpleasant odors. This feature helps maintain a fresh and clean environment in your home. Cats can enter and exit from either the front or the top, simply by rotating a latch. This flexibility accommodates various feline habits and preferences. With its extra-large capacity, it provides ample space for your cat to move comfortably. It's perfectly suited for big cats, multiple cats, or larger households. It comes with everything you need, including a filter pedal, litter scoop, and carbon bag. This ensures a convenient and hygienic setup right out of the box. What we like. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this litter box offers superior hygiene and longevity compared to plastic. Its innovative 135 degrees flip-top lid makes scooping incredibly easy without removing the entire top. If you prioritize durability, easy cleaning, and a long-lasting, odor-resistant solution, this metal option is an excellent investment. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get helpful points. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Cat Litter Mat 35 by 23. Say goodbye to scattered litter. This mat features thick mesh coils and deep grooves designed to effectively trap litter, keeping your floor spotless. It's the ultimate solution for a cleaner home. Tired of mats that shift? Its textured backing ensures it stays firmly in place, even with the most energetic cats. No more chasing after a moving mat or cleaning up extra mess. Accidents happen, but this mat has you covered. Constructed from durable, water-resistant materials, it prevents liquids from seeping through, safeguarding your floors from messes and scratches. Cleaning is a breeze. You can easily tip and pour collected litter back into the box, saving money. For deeper cleaning, simply rinse it or vacuum, then air dry. Your furry friend deserves comfort. This durable mat is incredibly soft and gentle on sensitive paws, even making a cozy spot for an afternoon nap. Choose a product that cares for the planet. It is Climate Partner certified, supporting initiatives that address climate impact, with its carbon footprint carefully measured. What we like. This mat features thick mesh coils and deep grooves designed to effectively trap litter, keeping your floors clean. Its water-resistant material prevents liquid messes from reaching your floor, protecting your home. If you are tired of tracking litter all over your house and want a simple, effective solution to contain scatter, this mat is a must-have. What people say. Number 1. Alfapet Original Sifting Cat Litter Box Liners. Tired of the endless chore of scooping your cat's litter box? There's a smarter, cleaner way to maintain a fresh environment for your feline friend. These innovative sifting liners make cleanup a breeze. They are specifically designed to let you easily separate clean litter from waste, reducing the need for traditional scooping. Designed to fit extra giant pans, these liners ensure a perfect fit every time. They come with a solid liner and a rubber band to keep everything securely in place, preventing any shifting or spillage. Does your cat love to dig and scratch? Don't worry, these liners are tough, durable, and tear-resistant. They are built to withstand even the most enthusiastic feline claws. Setting them up is incredibly easy. Just layer the solid liner at the bottom, followed by the sifting liners, and secure them all with the included rubber band. When it's time to clean, simply remove the rubber band and lift the top liner. The clean litter flows through, leaving only the waste behind for easy disposal. Life is too short for endless scooping. Embrace a cleaner, simpler way to manage your cat's litter, giving you more time to enjoy with your beloved pet. What we like. These sifting liners revolutionize litter box cleaning, allowing you to easily separate clean litter from waste without scooping. Their tear-resistant material ensures durability, even with the most enthusiastic diggers. If you dislike scooping and want a quick, hygienic way to maintain your litter box, these durable sifting liners will simplify your routine. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.